Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the new HomePod Mini. This won't be a full review, it'll just be a quick unboxing video. So I've already peeled off the plastic, and what was interesting about it is that it didn't have a pull tab. Instead, you had to cut it with a knife, which isn't a problem, but if you've noticed, at least in the last couple of years, pretty much all of their products have had some kind of pull tab so you can easily peel it off. So here's just a quick look around the box. It's pretty nice. I like the black Apple boxes. Just says Mini there on two of the sides, and it shows the HomePod itself. And let's go ahead and lift the lid. So there's the HomePod Mini. As you can see, this is the space gray one. It does also come in white. And first impression is that it really does look small. It looks smaller than I thought it would, but looks nice. It does come with the power cable attached to it. It's like a cloth power cable similar to the full-size HomePod. And then also in the box, you have some paperwork, which just includes the usual stuff, including a quick start guide and a single Apple sticker in there. I won't open it, but it's pretty much the usual stuff. And the last thing in the box here is a wall adapter. This is the 20-watt power adapter from Apple, and this can actually also be used to fast charge another device, such as an iPhone. And it's nice that they included it in the box. I do wish they color matched it and made it black to match the Space Gray HomePod Mini, but it's still nice that they included, and this is how you'll plug in the power cable to the wall for the HomePod Mini. So here we have it, just the contents of the box. Again, Space Gray HomePod Mini, some paperwork, and the power adapter, and that's it. I'll try to do a full review of the HomePod Mini and possibly compare it to the regular size HomePod, but this was just a quick unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it.